Hi, I'm Mr. Q again. Welcome back to my video channel. Today I will make a video about eating challenge. I will try to eat some instant noodle. And I'm not promoting any instant noodle brand or something. I'm just doing it just for fun. And I just try to make some noodle now and get back to you. Alright, I'm back. I just cooked instant noodle. Here is the instant noodle I just made. Here with some kimchi, and this is a Korean instant noodle. And now I will try to eat. All right? I'm sorry because I'm eating alone by myself, not with you. So let's see. I don't know whether it will be really okay. I don't know whether it will be really working at pretty well, or just I'll try to eat. Just I will relax and eat, and I want you to relax and watch the video. All right? Sorry. Now I'm eating this instant noodle in Korea because I'm back from Hong Kong. How I eat this instant noodle well in a nice way. Okay? Then I will stop talking and eat now. Please enjoy. This is kimchi. In fact, when eat an instant noodle, it's really ideal combination to try a noodle with the kimchi, with possibly with the egg in, or if without egg, it's alright. Okay. Kimchi. I'm just holding the camera, my phone, with my left hand, and I'm using my right hand. Almost finished. The noodle is not there anymore. The last one. Only 3 or 4 trials, I finished them all. Alright, and the drinking, trying the soup. Oh, good. It's -2, 3 outside. Maybe it's evening time, so it will be dropping down to -5 or something. It's chilly to cold outside, but instant noodle, this instant noodle makes me warm. Ooh. Oh. All right. Oh, I'm becoming sweaty. See, this is only left one more time. All right. Anyway, I enjoyed trying this instant noodle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And also, just it's not bad. Anyway, this noodle, even though it was cooked by myself. All right. Okay, just that's it. So I want you to give your like and subscribe to my video channel. All right. Okay. Thank you for your watching the video. All right. Enjoy your dinner. Okay. Bye.